Welcome to the life of Peter Higgs, the renowned physicist who gave his name to the Higgs boson, the God particle. Peter Higgs was born on May 29, 1929 in Newcastle, England. He was the son of a BBC sound engineer. He attended Clapham Grammar School in Bristol during his younger years and was a very bright student, winning many awards, however none in physics. This was the first time he felt inspired by the work of Paul Dirac, one of the physicists that laid the foundation for quantum mechanics. Higgs moved to London at the age of 17 to study maths, and then moved on to study physics at King's College in London. He got a first class or bachelor's degree in 1950, a master's degree in 1951, and a PhD in physics in 1954. Coming out of university, his earliest work was in molecular physics and concerned calculating the vibrational spectra of molecules. He later applied for a lectureship at London University but got rejected, so he headed to Scotland instead. Higgs predicted the existence of the particle while working at Edinburgh University in 1964, but until its momentous discovery at the LHC near Geneva in 2012, it had proved impossible to track down.
Despite his lack of publications, Peter has several notable achievements, including the Hughes Medal in 1981, the Dirac Medal of the Institute of Physics in 1997, the Wolf Prize in Physics in 2004, and the Nobel Prize in Physics in 2013. The Hughes Medal is awarded every other year for an original discovery in the physical sciences. Peter won it for his worldwide contributions in elementary particle theory. The Dirac Medal, named after Paul Dirac, one of the physicists Peter Higgs looked up to, is given every year for outstanding contributions to theoretical physics. The medal comes with a prize of £1,000 and a certificate. Peter Higgs also won the Wolf Prize for his groundbreaking work on the Higgs boson particle. The 2013 Nobel Prize in Physics was awarded jointly to François Englert and Peter W. Higgs for their theoretical discovery of a God particle that was confirmed by the ATLAS and CMS experiments at CERN's Large Hadron Collider.
Now why should you care?
The whisper in the room analogy, as I like to call it, is an analogy by Ralph Hewer. Imagine a room which represents a vacuum or a field. This room is filled with journalists who are particles with no mass traveling at the speed of light. Then someone comes in the room and whispers a secret which causes all the journalists or particles to cluster together. That secret that caused the clustering is the Higgs boson. Now the particles have slowed down and they all have mass. At CERN, the European Organization for Nuclear Research, the LHC, which is the Large Hadron Collider, was used to smash two protons together again and again near the speed of light to create an atmosphere like the Big Bang so that the Higgs boson would appear. And finally, it happened, and the Higgs boson's existence was proven. Let's talk about the Big Bang. The Higgs boson opens a lot of possibilities. It might actually allow us to predict what happened before the beginning of time, before the Big Bang itself. The Higgs boson completes our image of the universe and actually gives us the idea that our universe is just one in a series of universes that are all expanding called the multiverse. This multiverse is much like bubbles on a bar of soap, where each bubble represents a universe. The Higgs boson is nicknamed the God particle. With its discovery, we know everything that happened at the Big Bang and how the universe was created. The Higgs boson is also the force that gave particles mass, as explained before. Therefore, scientists believe that with the Higgs boson, a God is not needed to create or explain the creation of the world.
Fun facts about the life of Peter Higgs.
Oh my God particle!
No.
Peter Higgs was considered an embarrassment to his department due to his lack of publications. Higgs believes that he probably would have been fired if not for his Nobel Prize nomination in 1980. Peter Higgs has never actually owned a television, but was once coerced into watching The Big Bang Theory. He apparently found the show unimpressive, even though the show revolves around theoretical physics. Since he is a professor, Higgs has been given a university email address, but has never actually sent an email or even surfed the web. The end.
That's all, folks.
I have nothing to say.
Credits.